everyday life a little bit easier, here's what you do.
Carpet stains. Just sprinkle some salt on it, baking soda, a little bit of water, rub it in, and watch the magic happen.
Streak-free mirrors. Just dip a tea bag in some water and then use it to clean your mirrors. Check this out. Crystal clear. If you want to make anything stainless steel shine, just sprinkle some baking soda on a half a lime like this. And check this out. Beautiful.
Wrinkly shirt,
Throw it in a dryer. One ice cube for 1 minute.
wrinkles gone. If your shoes smell, just put a tea bag in each. Overnight, the odor will be gone. Put a few drops of nail polish remover on a cotton pad.
You can bring out the whites in your shoes.
Unshrink clothes.
Hot water in a bucket. Add about a half a cup of the conditioner you use for your hair. Mix it up, let your clothes soak in there for 30 minutes. Take it out, remove the excess water. Let it dry.
Boom, I can fit it now.
5 glasses, we wear masks. Wipe them with shaving cream and done. Works in the bathroom too.